Property managers are still doing things manually that AI handles in seconds. Sending rent reminders, triaging maintenance requests, responding to tenant messages, chasing late payments. Research shows that AI can automate up to 60% of daily tasks property managers deal with. So in this video, I'm going to break down 5 categories of AI that matter the most for property managers in 2026, what each one does, which tools are actually worth your time, and one platform that handles it all. First category is tenant communication, the backbone of property management. The average property manager spends hours every week just answering the same questions: lease terms, payment status, maintenance updates. The right AI doesn't just send auto replies, it understands context. And here's what that looks like. In MagicDoor, when a tenant sends a message, MagicDoor already knows their lease. It knows their payment history. It knows the context. So instead of sending a generic response, it actually answers the question specifically, and it does it automatically without you getting involved. Now, there are standalone tools out there like Stan AI or Funnel Leasing that do AI communications as an add-on to your current tools, but they're kind of answering blind. They don't have your lease data, they don't know your tenants, and you're paying extra for a tool that does one job, where MagicDoor does this and everything else in one platform with full context. The second category is maintenance, another huge part of property management. And this one is where MagicDoor really stands out, and I haven't seen any other platforms do this. Most tools just log the request and notify you. They try to do some sort of coordination, but once again, there's no context. The tool is not talking to itself, it's an add-on, where MagicDoor actually tries to solve it first. So here's what that flow would look like. A tenant submits a maintenance request. Say the bathroom faucet is dripping. Before MagicDoor does anything else, it opens an AI-guided troubleshooting script directly with the tenant. It'll ask things like, is the dripping coming from the handle or the spout? Have we tried tightening it? Is the shutoff valve fully opened? These AI runbooks are built around the most common issues, and you can add custom ones. And a huge percentage of the time, specifically about 61% of the time, this resolves the problem right there. No vendor, no cost. Tenant fixes it themselves with a tiny bit of guidance, confirms it's done, and MagicDoor closes the request. But let's say the troubleshooting doesn't resolve it, MagicDoor also escalates it, creates a work order, categorizes, assigns urgency, and automatically signs it to the right vendor. Then going a step further into scheduling, it's going to coordinate back and forth with the vendor and the tenant in a group chat, all via text. So all of this maintenance request is fully completed, and all you have to do is approve the bill. So yes, there are dedicated tools like HappyCo that do pieces of this. They triage, they route, but they're add-ons. They don't troubleshoot with the tenant first, they don't coordinate all the scheduling, they don't create group chats, it's not done via text. And your maintenance data lives completely disconnected from your leases and your financials, where MagicDoor does the whole job end-to-end inside the same platform. Third is rent collection. Now this is where most landlords are losing the most time because chasing late rent manually and sending reminders one by one takes a lot of time. Not to mention, this is where you make your money. So MagicDoor handles the entire cycle without you touching it. The moment rent is overdue, MagicDoor sends that reminder automatically, not just a draft message. If it's still not paid, it'll escalate by applying your late fees automatically. The whole cycle runs on its own, and because it's all inside the same platform, MagicDoor already knows the tenant payment history, their lease terms, and whether or not this is a pattern. This is not just automation, it's automation with context. MagicDoor also allows you to manage insurance or offer renters insurance through the platform, and even has a place where you can add in things like Section 8 housing or any other context to the rent payments. MagicDoor prides itself in being fully customizable. Now, there are of course popular tools like AppFolio or Buildium that have AI rent collection built in, but you're gonna have to pay at least $300 a month minimum just to access those features, where MagicDoor does the same job, if not better, free for your first 9 units, and then just $2.50 per unit after that with no unit minimum. Category 4 is AI for tenant screening. This includes things like online applications, background checks, income verification, and you'll want to do it with no manual back and forth. With MagicDoor, screening is built directly into the platform, so when an applicant submits their information, it flows straight into the tenant record automatically. In fact, you get a custom website, there's a listing syndication, they can apply straight on your website, and all communication is done via text. There's also a section that allows you to see rental applications that are not completed, so you can reach out to potential applicants as well. It's one connected workflow from application to lease. It even gives you a score based on their history and information in their application to help you make a quick decision on if this applicant is good or not. Tools like Showdigs or Snapped do impressive things with fraud detection and identity verification specifically, and if you're running hundreds of units and need specialized screening, they're worth looking at as add-ons. But for most property managers, especially if you have 20 to 50 units, having it all in one place beats having another standalone tool every time. You kind of see where we're going with this. We want to get rid of that tool stack and replace it with one system that actually does everything for you. A lot of these popular systems say that they're all in one, but then you need an add-on for this, an add-on for that. Oh, now you have to pay extra for the AI tools, and that's just not what you need as a property manager. Okay, number 5 is financials. Now this is where having everything in one platform really pays off, because with MagicDoor, your rent is collected, your maintenance costs, your lease data are all connected, so your financial reporting is updated automatically. I know we've talked a lot about AI and you might be scared because why would there be AI in my accounting? Well, good news for you is there is automation when it comes to pulling your reports, putting all your data in one place. But AI on MagicDoor is not actually in accounting because there are times and places for AI and your accounting is not one of them. But you're not going to be manually reconciling at the end of every month. Those numbers can be pulled quickly in the system. And then there are tools like Sessa that help with bookkeeping, but once again, it's an isolated tool. So those are probably the top 5 categories of AI that you can use right now in property management. So you could go build a stack of 5 separate tools to cover them, 5 subscriptions, 5 logins, 5 things that don't talk to each other, or you could use MagicDoor, an all-in-one tool with all 5 built-in, connected, and running automatically from one platform. Not to mention, there is AI in a lot of other spots of MagicDoor, and it is a text-first platform, which typically tenants prefer, and nobody wants to answer a phone call with an AI voice because you can hear that instantly. So if you want to try out MagicDoor, it is free for your first 9 units. There is a link down below for you to check it out, and overall, it is 2026. AI is taking over, and you will want to have some sort of AI automation in your property management business in order to succeed in the next year, 2, 3, 10 years. There is no getting away from it, so you may as well lean into it and go ahead and find a tool that can help you get it done quickly and easily, even if you're not tech savvy. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.